Hi, it's Myriam with lesson 8, Tahitian dance, how to do a TEKI Tahiti. TEKI Tahiti is tiptoe hip movement. Sorry for the noise in the floor. So if you don't know how to do a Tahiti, go ahead and watch that lesson first. Basically, with your TEKI, the idea is to keep your heels lifted from the ground about an inch, and your knees are going to be slightly bent, and then you're just going to be transferring the weight to one side and the other without bouncing. You don't want to bounce, so you're controlling that. Arms very straight, and you're going to be lifting your feet. This is a traveling step. So you want to lift your feet, and they're going to be like small little movements. Okay. So for the full tutorial on TEKI Tahiti, go ahead and check my YouTube.